Vandanatrayi. Om is where the heart is. Vandanatrayi is a beautiful choreography that draws inspiration from the sacred Sanskrit texts of the Vedas, Upanishads, and other scriptures. This piece focuses on peace and harmony among nature and all creatures. The performance is an ode to Lord Ganesha, Goddess Saraswati, and the Guru, paying homage to these divine figures through graceful movements and intricate expressions. The choreography is set to the masterpiece Chants of India by Pandit Ravi Shankar and George Harrison, creating a mesmerizing blend of spirituality and artistry. Our performers are Aradhya, Ashika, Aishani, Akshara, Suryanshi, Adhya, Saisha, Arna, Sayantika, Smitha, Vaibhavi, Simona, Prachi, Swati Lekha, and Smura Anand.
महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा श्रीवक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा श्रीवक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा श्रीवक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा। या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना